Marcoleta raises a question in a committee hearing.
Thank you.
Wala pong problema, Mr. Chair, dun sa ni-repair ito. That is the process. Walang debate doon. But I believe it presupposes already a legislative, parang may nakabalangkas na.
Last to speak before the chair will deliver my manifestation of position with regards to the query. Chairman Ako, please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I do not want to debate with the erudite Honorable Marcoleta, soon to be Senator. But there's a Supreme Court decision also entitled Romero versus Estrada, decided in 2009.
Dan Fernandez,
Yes, thank you so
I will
much,
give you 3 minutes. Please
Thank you
proceed.
so much. The very intent and purpose why we filed this resolution, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, sayang wala na si Congressman Marcoleta. May tatanong sana ako sa kanya. But since wala na po siya, I will not be asking those questions anymore.